their wings and fall in the warmth of a story untold. Colors swirl, the world turns gold as daylight fades, so soft, so bold, over the waves on skies of fire. They glide with grace, they never tire. Birds at sunset in Bali, so free, dancing on the winds of change.